Welcome back to Street Moto Z. We're going to be doing some weaving today. 15 feet in length, 3 feet wide. Going to give it a shot. All right, this is the cone weave. There's 7 or 8 cones, 15 feet apart, spaced 3 feet apart. And you see I missed that last cone and I bailed out of this one. I think this turned out to be a little more difficult than I thought. And so, okay, made the first, second, third, fourth, and then did a foot stomp. So that's usually because I slowed down too much. I really want to try to do these weaves again only using the friction zone of the clutch and not using the brake at all. I did end up using the brake a couple times, I think, in this one, and especially the last, that foot stomp right there. I used the brake. I need to use that friction zone, need to speed up and not slow down too much, or the bike will lose its ability to stand up. It'll fall over. So trying to keep some movement going while turning, and also turning. If I can turn and lock out that handlebar, that will help greatly. There we go. We made it through. And trying the weave again. This looks easy, but for new riders, it can be challenging. And made it again, and then made the last turn around the cone. That was good. That was even better than the last one. It seemed to get a little bit easier the more I did the weave. But I would recommend, if you have a place where you can go, high school parking lot, junior high parking lot, elementary school parking lot, anything flat like this where you can lay out some cones. For these cones, and did good there. That's good. Wow, that was a little harder than it looked. I got to work on that some. Wow, look at this. There's a frickin' dragonfly hanging out. Go eat some mosquitoes. I'll put them on my shoulder for good luck. There we go. Still got my dragonfly, buddy.